my name is Brian Marine. I'm a massage therapist here at the Gazebo in Toronto, Ontario. And today I'm going to show you a few things for frozen shoulder. Right. So the first thing about frozen shoulder that I'm going to show you is the pendulum swing. So what you want to do here is you want to get something to brace yourself on, whether it's a wall or a chair. You want to let your arm kind of just hang down. Okay? You're not activating the muscle at all. You're just going to let it hang, let gravity take it. Then you're going to kind of swing your hips to let your arm move around. You want to do this in both directions. Okay, this will increase the range of motion in your shoulder. Now you want to do this within the painful ranges. So if there's any pain, don't go that far or back off. And if the whole thing is painful, don't do this one as well. Okay? There's a progression for this one later on. When you don't have that pain anymore, what you'll do is the same thing, but instead you'll hold a weight. Right? Something between 1 to 3 pounds. That's just going to put a little bit of traction on your shoulder. And you do the same thing. The only difference, without swinging your hip, you're going to use the strength of your arm this time. So if you're holding something, for example, if you're holding something, you'll just do it like this. You don't necessarily need to brace for this one, but you want to make sure that you're doing that within the pain-free ranges after the pain of moving your arm has gone down significantly. Next, I'm going to show you a wall walking exercise. Again, this is for at the beginning when frozen shoulder is most painful. With frozen shoulder, as you probably know, it's hard to really bring your arm out or forward. So what you want to do with the wall, you want to go towards it and keep your arm straight, as straight as possible. And you want to walk as far as you can up the wall. And as you start getting into that painful spot, as you start getting into that restricted spot, if there's no pain, you can step forward to get even bigger, more range of motion as you go higher on. And again, because this way and this way is difficult, you also want to do the wall walking like this, with your arm extended towards the wall, and walk up like so. And then once you get to where it feels stuck, you can just take a step into it, and you just keep going as far as you can within your pain tolerance. Okay. So the next stretch I'm going to show you, now this is for later on when there's not really much more pain or no pain in your shoulder, but you still have the restricted movement. You're going to get a towel. Okay, this is for your superspinatus muscle, which is right at the top here. Okay, all you're going to do is the towel, grab like this, one at the top, one at the bottom, as far as you can, and you're going to pull. Just pull apart with your top arm here, brace with this one, and pull up like so. And again, remember to hold your stretches for 30 seconds, and there should be no pain. If there's any pain, please discontinue. Okay? So that one's for 30 seconds. The next one, we're going to get a broom, or a fairly long stick. Okay? I'm going to show you a few different things with this. So the first one, just to back up a little, when you're back at the beginning stages and it's really hard to move, it's really painful, you can get a stick and you can use the stick to kind of guide your arm through the range of motion. So if we're saying that my right shoulder here is frozen, what I would do is I would hold one end, and then with the other end, I'm going to guide this arm into bigger ranges. So relaxing this arm, I'm going to move it like this. And even though it might look kind of easy, if this is frozen and restricted, this is going to be a lot harder than it looks. So you want to make sure you do this within your pain tolerance ranges. You can do this for abduction, bring your arm out. You can do it for flexion, and you can even do it up here to just kind of guide your arm through the motions there. Okay? Next, with this stick, what I'm going to show you is a stretch for your subscapularis muscle. Now this one is one of the major ones that is commonly an issue with frozen shoulder. It's a muscle that's kind of on the front of your shoulder blade. So it's kind of through your armpit. It's a really deep muscle there. Helps bring your arm in like so. Okay? What you're going to do is you're going to grab the stick kind of with your thumb down. You're going to bring it behind you. Okay? And then on the same side, so again, assuming that my right shoulder is the problem here, you're going to grab it here, and then you can relax your arm and you can use it, your left arm here, to stretch deep inside here by pulling this forward and just keeping it relaxed. And again, you want to hold this for 30 seconds, should be no pain, any pain, discontinue. You just hold like that, and make sure you keep your right shoulder relaxed, and you can control how big you want the stretch to go into. Okay? The last stretch I'm going to show you for your frozen shoulder is going to get your middle traps, your infraspinatus, and some of your rhomboids. You might have seen this one before. You could do this sitting or standing. All you got to do, again, assuming that the right is the problem, bring your arm right across, and right below your elbow here, just grab. Okay, and pull towards you. Relax the shoulder. Keep on breathing. And you want to hold this for 30 seconds. Just really kind of pull this guy as far as you can in towards you. Okay, so going to get a big stretch in there. 30 seconds. In fact, I lied. I'm going to show you one more because I think it's a really good stretch as well. Sorry, Rich, I lied. So, using this wall, what you're going to do, so when you need to stretch your subscap, but you can't get a stick or you're out or you can't get that motion, what you want to do is bend your arm, get it as high as you can, right? And you want to get the back of your elbow, not the pointy part of your elbow, but the back of your elbow on the wall, okay? And then you're going to take the leg on the same side and kind of put it behind you and just kind of let your body weight lean into the stretch a little. Use your free arm to brace so you don't fall over or anything like that. Okay? And this will get a big stretch in the back here as well. Okay? This will get your subscapularis muscle and a little bit of your triceps. Okay? Again, as always, if there's any pain, any discomfort, please discontinue. Feel free to email us, ask us any questions.